The dispensing head assembly replaces the cork or screw top after the bottle is opened and performs the following functions. It seals the bottle from air. It enables pressurization of the bottle with inert gas, argon or nitrogen. It controls the wine volume out of the bottle, and it secures the bottle in the bottle bay position. The head assembly is made up of three parts: the take-up tube, the head body, and the head cap. Selecting the right head is critical. Since bottles have different cork sizes, the dispensing head gaskets come in different sizes. Currently there are three sizes: small, which is white, medium, which is red, and large, which is green. It is critical that the proper size is used in the bottle. If a small size is used where a medium size should be used, the head gasket could become damaged. Use the special head gasket sizing tool to ensure the proper selection. In this bottle, the red gasket would be the correct size. Next is attaching the head cap to the head body. Before attaching the head cap to the head body, always apply Haynes silicone spray to the rubber valve. This spray is NSF certified, and it is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Simply spray a little coating to the rubber on the inside of the cap. This will ensure that the valve is properly lubricated to deliver the correct pour volume. To attach the head cap to the head body, locate the arrow with a bump on the side of the cap and align with the arrow located on the head body. Notice the notch of the rotor is facing the arrow on the head body. Press down and turn the cap clockwise and secure onto the head body. If aligned properly, the arrow from the head body and the arrow from the cap should be pointing toward each other. The arrow bump will be slightly to the right when looking down at the cap. Make sure that the rotor tab is pointing in the same direction as the arrow. Next, we attach the take-up tube. To attach the take-up tube to the head body, simply press one end of the tube into the opening in the bottom of the head. Make sure that it is snug. The take-up tube should be longer than the height of the bottle. When the tube is inserted into the bottle, it will automatically wind down into the bottle with the tube end all the way at the bottom. This way, very little wine will be left in the bottle when it is emptied. Next, we secure the head onto the bottle. Select a comfortable table or counter to perform this operation. After opening the wine bottle, and after selecting the proper head and attaching the take-up tube, insert the take-up tube into the bottle. At this point, make sure that the collar is opened all of the way so that the gasket will fit properly into the bottle. To open the collar all the way, turn the collar counterclockwise. To secure the head into the bottle, if you are right-handed, press down on the head with your left hand until the head is inserted all of the way into the bottle. If it appears to be tight even though the sizing tool was used, moisten the gasket and try again. Continue holding the top of the head with your left hand and tighten the collar with your right hand by rotating it clockwise until it is good and tight. Certain bottle openings may pose a unique problem. The gasket is correct, but after tightening, the head does not stay in place and the bottle could slide off. If this occurs, simply take a dry cloth and dry both the gasket as well as the inside of the bottle opening. Now try the tightening procedure. This should work most of the time. Once the head is secured onto the bottle, the head can be turned to align the spout with the wine label. Ensure the bottle is tight by lifting bottle with the head. The bottle should be secure on the head, even if the bottle is lifted only by using the head. Next, we need to prepare the bottle for dispensing. Before placing the bottle with the head assembly into place, wipe the stainless steel contacts of the head with a damp cloth. This will ensure that no detergent residue or wine will interfere with the liquid detection mechanism. Once the head assembly is secured onto the head, the bottle can be placed into a bay position. To place the bottle into a bay position, first use your key to unlock the front door, and then lift the spout cover. Choose which of the 4 bay positions you are going to fill. Lift the bottle using the head and carefully place it into the position. Push the head all the way back so that it is tight against the bay position. Close the spout cover and then lock the front door. This will ensure that the bottle is properly seated into the position. Insert your manager card into the smart card reader. Select service mode and then push the bottle service button. Select refill bottle and then press the purge button. This will purge the air out of the bottle. Purge can be selected as many times as desired depending on the level of wine in the bottle. At this point, a test can be done by pressing the test button. Make sure you have a gas ready for the wine. Pressing test fills the take-up tube with wine and allows you to sample the wine. You can now pull out the manager card from the unit. The wine is now ready to be served.